Rose-Hulman's Engineering Design Program, or ENGD, is a model of innovative STEM education. It began with President Jim Conwell's Rose Reimagined initiative to create a flexible, ABET accredited program that blends humanities, technical topics, and hands-on learning. The ENGD Steering Committee, initial developers, and current studio developers built a program that develops technical skills and encourages students to tackle real societal challenges, with a key focus on creating solutions for those with disabilities. During their first 2 years, ENGD students participate in 6 design studios, where they work on projects that directly benefit individuals with disabilities. The projects are often created for real clients using real budgets. This hands-on experience, supported by faculty from various disciplines, prepares them for advanced technical electives, co-ops, and a capstone course in their final years. One standout project, Kayla's Floating Seat, was developed by first-year students Yi-Ching Lee, Isabella Popoff, and Carla Archuleta with sophomore Yo-Wa Lu. This device enhances safety and accessibility for children with physical disabilities in the water. Designed for 3-year-old Kayla Steiner, who has cerebral palsy and autism, the floating seat not only allowed her to safely enjoy swimming, but also incorporated lights to attract other children, fostering social interaction. Looking ahead, the ENGD program plans to deepen its partnerships with local nonprofits and industries, integrating these collaborations more fully into the curriculum. We present Rose-Hulman's Engineering Design Program with the 2024 ABET Innovation Award for creating an ABET-accredited program integrating humanities and technical topics in a hands-on, human-centered, multidisciplinary approach to design, fostering student passion about design and its potential to improve society.